Well, something of a flash sale here. Anyone looking for a 6105? 6105, 8110. Completely serviced, entirely original, 1975, all original Seiko loom. This was somebody's, darn it, somebody's working watch. It had some, obviously it has some black peppering and stuff on the dial. I've minimized that. It's still there, but I've minimized it. I also cleaned up the hand loom and the hand surfaces as well. You can see it's got some pecking and pitting around it. But again, the Seiko loom is original, and I was able to, I have my tricks. So it's got some pitting, but you know, it's a completely original watch. This is a good daily driver. Case is completely rebuilt, all new seals, crown is rebuilt. It's got a brand new crystal, new rotating ring, indexes as it should. 6105B movement is fully serviced, upgraded with jewels, hacks as it should. You stop that. Date changes as it should. Today's the, what, the 5th? The 6th, I don't remember. Crown locks as it should, nice and tight. So if you're looking for honest, daily driver, 100% Seiko, except for our crystal and the new seals, of course, but there it is. 6105, 8110. 6105, 8110. Daily driver, drive it away today. And I'm not putting this one on the website. This one, just email me directly at kvw@kleinvintagewatchrepair.com. That's kvw@kleinvintagewatchrepair.com. Again, the watch is, gosh darn it, watch is original, great daily driver, fully serviced, upgraded with mainspring arbor jewels. The loom is all original Seiko. I've cleaned up the dial and the hands. There's some pecking and some pitting, but it's original. And everything, all the condition matches itself. It's a good, honest daily driver watch. Drive it away today.